This is soap.
Basically, these are going to be things that will become just garbage after. Here you go. Which button? What button? Good morning and welcome to the vlog. Welcome to a fall reset. So today I'm hoping that you will come along with me. I'm just in the process of getting ready this morning and we're gonna do a little fall reset. But the reason why I wanted to wait with this actually, and I don't know if you feel this way, but to me doing a fall reset in like August, it really doesn't make any sense. So today feels like the absolute perfect day. It just finished raining a little bit. It's kind of cool, dreary. The leaves are changing. So my hope is that we get out and we do a little bit of shopping. I want to get some fall decoration so we can kind of switch up the vibe. We're also planning a Halloween party for the end of the month for Sophie. So she wants to get some more decoration for that. And then we'll probably end up doing a little bit of cooking, and I want to bring you along so we can update my traveler's notebook. So if all of that sounds good, then please come along with me. And let me just clip this on so we can continue on. Please don't sleep on this. This is the Shiseido Revitalize Essence Skin Glow. It makes your skin not only like flawless, but also, I don't know, it just gives you like a really nice glowy finish. Also, if you have this, if you have these bronzing things from Jones Road, please tell me that you're having issues with the packaging as well, because I literally have to stab it in the base because the gel was kind of gooping up and then it started congesting the product. I don't know, it was just being weird. So today I was actually hoping originally to go to like a pumpkin patch, but I'm not sure if that will happen, especially when it's really cold and like windy and dreary out. Like granted, the sun is starting to come out, but not nearly as much as I would like to. So we might have to do that another weekend, but I was hoping to do that, but but at this point, I think I'm just better off just planning for like a little reset and kind of changing up the decor. I wanted to do something with pumpkin. I already made like a pumpkin smoothie this morning, which was mediocre. It was fine, but it wasn't the greatest. We'll see how it goes, but I will bring you guys along nevertheless. By the way, like, can we talk about this makeup? It is so dark in here. Okay, I also need to show you what we're using for scent. I have the Being Frenchy. This is Cashmere Vanilla. Absolute favorite for fall. I mean, I already sprayed it, but you can never have too much. And I added a little bit of Vanilla Skin from Fleur. Love it. I don't need to say anything else about it. And we have Missing Person. So this is like this combo, in my opinion, is the absolute best for fall. Okay, let's go shopping. Oh my God, this is.
Whoa, what are you doing? So pick stuff that would match the vibe.
That's so cute.
Sophie, you could get
purchase,
This
guys.
is so cool.
What a purchase.
No way.
Wow.
Mom, look at this. You feel it?
Like no thanks. The card is coming along.
You want to put that
This is a potato masher. And it costs $8. And I've been looking for one for like forever. This is why I'm not allowed here.
Look at this.
This is soap. See if we can find mugs. Because apparently it's a big challenge. Did you find it? We found it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, seriously? Like, yes, chef. This is so cute. So we're back from HomeSense, and I do have a little haul. It's not very big, but I thought I would just show you what we got so far. And then we're still gonna go to the dollar store so we can get some decorations. So first up, we have this cute little mug. Look. So this to me feels like the ultimate little like hot cocoa type of vibe. And Charlotte wanted to have like a little ghost, which I thought is really, really cute. And it says Happy Halloween on it. I also picked up a couple of candles. One of them is like this sand black. It's like a blackberry and musk scent. And the other one is from Sand and Fog, and this one is teak wood. So this is citrus, apple, jasmine, rose, tonka bean, sandalwood, patchouli, and cedar wood. So it's a very... It honestly, you know what's funny? I made a candle like a few years ago. It's called Boyfriend Candle, and it just smelled like... It just smelled really like rustic and musky and bourbon, and it was just like the perfect like that guy scent. That's what this smells like. And I think it's because it has the tonka bean, the sandalwood, the cedar wood. All of those are really like grounding scents. So I love candles like this. This is just random. That has nothing to do with the haul, but I wanted to get some measuring cups because honestly I have no idea where most of mine are, and I've been struggling to just use my main mixer. So I bought like just a potato masher, which we'll probably actually end up using this weekend. And I was saying this in the store, but the irony is that every single time that I have like something that I actually need for the house is generally about an under $20 purchase. So go figure. I will also show you the decor. There's this. Apparently it makes noise, but I mean, the most overpriced Halloween, like this whole thing is like plastic. But anyway, that's... Oh my God, how do you turn this off? With button. What button? What button? This one is blackberry and woods, so I had to light it up. Look how cute, right? I think we're going to have some lunch, and after lunch I will pop out to get some groceries and go to the dollar store. So here we go. There has been some damage. I will just walk you through at least some of it. I don't think I'm going to be able to show you everything, but I will show you how it all looks, I guess, when it's all done. First of all, like, dollar store did us really well. I mean, I got this little pillow thing, and as I go, I'm gonna start like taking all the tags off. Maybe it was worth it, maybe it wasn't. Okay, I think I'm going to use this actually on the table and then kind of pack things around it. I think that makes way more sense. However, you can actually just kind of hang this, but that kind of just looks like I'm gonna perform witchcraft. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. I'll show you. I think it looks really nice when you just put it like in the middle of the table as a centerpiece, and it looks nice. I'm taking forever, but because you should see how big this bag is. I got like these little filler whatevers. They look cute. I will just put it on the table so you can see. Again, right? And then the funny thing was that there was a lady in the aisle, took like 25 minutes just to kind of look through everything and then bought absolutely nothing. Now I have a vision for this, so I got these. These are so cute. I want this outside, and I bought some tea candles so we can put them in, and I bought like a bunch of them. The only thing that concerns me, so like these are like the colors. The only thing that concerns me about this is as kids come in, because we have stairs, and I figured I would put one on each stair. I just don't want them to like knock it over and be weird. Oh, most of this is Sophie's. Okay, apparently Noah picked this. I am not responsible for that purchase. No, I bought like 4 of these. These look so cute. Like, see, you will notice that the things that I picked are tasteful. The things that everybody else picked are just questionable. This is so tacky. You could have made this in an afternoon. Anyway, she bought that. Whatever, it's fine. Who bought this? The most useless piece of item. This is so useless. This is something. It is 100% useless. Okay, wait. Why do I feel like I'm unboxing like Pandora's box? Okay, this is cute. I like this. This is so cute. This is so cute. Useless but fun. Nope. Not approved purchase. This is why you don't go with family. Oh my god, this is already open. Okay, I bought this. I think that this is gonna be cute for the kids when you're like packing and trying to get rid of all the Halloween candy. It is. There's 2 bags. There's 2 bags of this. I feel like we can set this up tonight. We should. Questionable item number 5. I don't know what this is. Oh, this just looks like a bloody gauze. Yuck. Oh, basically these are going to be things that will become just garbage after. Here you go. Let's see. Oh, I am excited about this. These are like little cotton. So cute. I bought that. This I actually did buy. I think that this looks really cute, but it's falling apart, so I'm gonna have to fix her up. But it looks so cute, right? Looks cute. I like it. Okay, and last item. We're doing great. More lights for no reason whatsoever. I think the fall reset has officially been concluded. I didn't get my fall drink. I tasted that. It was fine. Honestly, I'm just disappointed that I couldn't make like a cold drink. But we did the fall drink. We reset the house. I will show you where everything will go, which will happen probably tomorrow. But I will bring you guys overhead now so we can do some journaling now that we've survived all of that. So, and I will just say thanks so much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed this fall reset. Make sure that you subscribe if you hadn't had a chance to just yet, and just keep planning, keep journaling. And I will see you again in my next one.